Bhardwaj, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create this look right here, and to see how I created this look, let's dive into the video. For eyeshadow today, I am using Makeup Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold Palette in the shade My Own. It's a transition shade that will help bring it to another level, gives depth to your eyeshadow, and will gives an intensity that otherwise won't be there. Now I am using Girl Boss shade with the same brush and merging it in the crease area. For lid, I am using the backup shade from the same palette with another eyeshadow brush. Start applying from the outer corner and dab it on the lids. Now I am using a clean fluffy brush that will help in blending the three shades. Here I am using Maybelline Nudes palette in the shade Black to create more depth to the eye makeup. Start applying from the outer corner and blend inwards. With the help of a clean fluffy brush, blend black shade towards crease area. Now I am using Kryolan glitter in the shade Pearl with the help of Kryolan multi-gel. First apply multi-gel using a flat eyeshadow brush and then apply Pearl glitter on the eyelid area. For the bone area, I am using shade Hold Up from the Makeup Revolution palette. Always start applying this highlighter shade from your high bone area and blend toward end. With the same brush, use same highlighter shade and apply on the inner corner of your eye. And this finishes the look. If you like this look, don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video and subscribe to my channel for more such looks. See you guys in my next video. Bye.